we have to discuss the chapter that is the some natural phenomena. ठीक है, let's start with this. Right, in this chapter, in some natural phenomena, we already had read about the two main factors. One is the lightning and second is the earthquake. ठीक है, so in this chapter, lightning and earthquake, these are the natural calamities. ठीक है, these happen. अब lightning, first if we want to discuss about the lightning, how lightning occur, lightning में क्या है, ठीक है, what is या what are the cause of the lightning, lightning होती कैसे, what are the main causes of the lightning. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले वी आर हैविंग लाइक लाइटनिंग में चार्ज है, तो हाउ दीज चार्जेस कम्स, हु डिस्कवर्ड दीज चार्जेस, these charges were discovered by the Benjamin Franklin was the scientist who discovered the two types of the charges. इन्होंने हमें बताया कि पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज होते हैं, so these are given by the Benjamin Franklin. इनकी एक पूरी हिस्ट्री इज गिवन इन योर बुक कि हाउ ही डिस्कवर्ड इट, ही हैड डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द काइट एक्सपेरिमेंट. ठीक है, ड्यूरिंग द नाइट, एट द टाइम ऑफ द नाइट he performed the kite experiment and after that he observed the charges on the different bodies are having, yani ki different bodies are having the different charges, and luckily he was the luckiest person कि after doing the kite experiment, when he was doing his kite experiment with his son, उन्होंने मेटल की ली थी, ठीक है, उसको स्ट्रिंग के साथ अटैच करा था, एंड व्हेन ही वाज डूइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट ही सेव्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ द लाइटनिंग, ही सेव्ड, ही वाज द लकीएस्ट पर्सन. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट नंबर ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट केम, दे परफॉर्म्ड ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज, दे परफॉर्म दिस थिंग टू ऑब्जर्व द डिफरेंट चार्जेस, but everyone electrocuted means they all get the electric shock. ठीक है, after that even the Benjamin Franklin, when he was doing lightning experiment, he saved. After that the lightning fall on his house also, again he survived due to his own experiment, his own creation, like the lightning conductor he made. Due to the lightning conductor on his house, he the life saved. ठीक है, so that means the Benjamin Franklin was the very luckiest scientist we can say, and he performed the experiment, and after that he gave us the two types of the charges, negative and the positive charges. We already discussed that the different bodies acquire the different charges. ठीक है, we discussed the same charges, they repel one another, and opposite charges they attract one another. For this you have performed the one activity also. You had done the activity also कि when we will rub the glass rod acquire which charge? What is the charge present on the glass rod? I told you the different bodies are having the different charges, and we already had discussed glass rod is having which charge? Positive. Ebonite rod, animal fur is having positive, right? So these are the different charges. If we will say animal fur or wool, one of the same thing. ठीक है, they are having some of the charges. जब आप किसी चार्ज को, एक चार्ज बॉडी को, when we are having a charge body and bring near to the charge body, तो what will happen? जब आप एक चार्ज बॉडी को एक चार्ज बॉडी के पास लाओगे, they will repel one another, वो एक दूसरे को repel करते हैं, and when we will bring the opposite charges, bring near to it, ठीक है, they will attract toward itself. ठीक है, वो एक दूसरे के पास जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो number of the activities we had discussed. When we will rub the comb on the dry hair, it requires some charge. ठीक है, तो combing is what we are doing, that how it requires charge. ठीक है, when we comb the dry hair, it requires some charge, and when we will bring near to the bits of paper, it will attract towards the comb. ठीक है, in the same way we can do it with the help of the balloon also. We can take the inflated balloon, ठीक है, rub it with the wool and then bring near to the balls, it will attract it towards it. ठीक है, every object is having some charge. ठीक है जी, now how we can produce charges? या what are the मतलब charges, you can say we can produce charges in the number of the ways. What are these? These are friction. How can we produce charge? What are the causes of the charges? How it can be produced? By the three ways. Number one, that is the friction. By rubbing two things together, they acquire some charge. Okay? By conduction and by induction. ठीक है जी? हाँ जी. आप बताओ. बताओ. ठीक है? Positive charge will be there. Now causes of the charges, these are the friction due to the conduction, due to the induction. What is friction? That we already had discussed, that the friction means when we are rubbing the two things together, it acquires the charge. The heat will release and acquire the charge. Conduction is what? Conduction is to pass the charge. Means when you will bring the uncharged body, when you will take the uncharged body near to the charged body, it acquires the same charge that is having the charged body. Okay? But in induction, without touching, here we will touch with the uncharged body. Here we will not touch. Okay? The main difference in the conduction and induction is not in your syllabus, but still we have to know the meaning of this. Conduction, that is passing of the current, passing of the charge from the uncharged charged body to the uncharged body, and this is without touching. इस केस में conduction में you had done with the how you can show that the conduction is done or taking place, that is with the help of the electroscope we had discussed. That is we had done with the electroscope. What is electroscope? क्या है electroscope? What is electroscope? बिल्कुल blank बच्चे. What is electroscope? Electroscope is a device to detect the charge on the body and the nature of the charge. It is a device. Who gave this? Exams are coming. Who gave? William. Electroscope, how we can show that the charges are passing from the charged body to the uncharged body. Okay, for this, is it clear? Electroscope is a device. This is the brass disc. You can say rubber stopper, right? Rubber stopper is there. क्यों हम ये use कर रहे हैं? Why we are doing this experiment in a closed jar? Can anyone tell why we are doing this in the closed jar? So that the air currents, the leaf will not show or feel any air currents. Air currents अगर हम इसको open में करेंगे, so due to the presence of the air, it will show the movement. So that's why we are doing it in the closed jar. Okay? Then this is the brass rod. These are foils. Okay? Gold foils, we can say. Gold leaf, we can say. We can use, instead of the gold, we can use the copper also. We can use the aluminium, silver. We can use it. Okay? Then metal foil, that is for which purpose? That is for which purpose? These metal foils are for which purpose? For earthing. ठीक है जी. So electroscope में हम क्या करते हैं? When we will break the charged body, ये मैं charged body इसके पास लाई, positive charge body है, ठीक है, glass rod है, it requires positive charge. When I will touch the glass rod with this brass sticks, so what will happen? The charge will flow because of the conduction. Conduction means the charge will flow from the charged body to the uncharged body. ये यहाँ आएगा, ठीक है, it will come near to it. So what will happen? यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Why diverge? Why diverge? Diverge क्यों हुई? Because the same charge will come over here and they both acquire the positive charge, they repel one another. ठीक है? In the same way, if I will put the negative charge over here, the negative charge will acquire by this gold leaf and again they diverge. As you will remove the glass rod, जैसे ही आप glass rod पीछे लेके जाओगे, then what will happen? Again the leaf जो है they collapse. They collapse. That means due to the presence of the charge, it is conducting from the charged body to the uncharged body and it requires the same charge. इसके ऊपर same charge आ गया. Same charge आने से they will repel one another and we can see the experiment how the charge is passing from the charged body to the uncharged body. ठीक है? Is it clear? Same charges they repel one another. Opposite charges they attract one another. They attract each other. Is it clear बेटे? To everyone, बच्चे, आपको clear है सबको? How it occurs? ठीक है? Okay. Then after this gold leaf experiment, after that the lightning concept is again done. The charges we had seen. Lightning conductor, as the Benjamin Franklin, he gave the one other instrument that is a lightning conductor. It saved his life again. Okay. So what is the lightning conductor? What is the lightning conductor? Anyone can tell the lightning conductor? है क्या? They are used in buildings. That is the function हो गया. Why we are using it? But how it is? It protects the building from the lightning. It is a device that protects the tall buildings from the lightning. How it protects? How it is constructed? इसके बना कैसे है? Passed through the building and got on the earth's surface. Inside the earth's surface, so the lightning passed through the earth's surface. Why we are using the metal rod? Why? क्यों? क्यों रुक जाएगा ना? That's why I'm asking. Metals are good conductor. Lightning conductor is what? In the tall buildings, I'm just making a little bit like this. Sit down, Pulkit. Very nice. This is the tall building. In this tall building, we like this. It is having a spikes on it. It is having a spike. Metal rod we are using. Metal rod, that means it is a good conductor. And metals hai, so these are having the positive charge on it. Metals के ऊपर we are having this one. ठीक है, these are positive charges present, right बेटे? Then मैं इसको रब कर रही हूँ. It is having a positive charge. This metal rod is earthed. इसको नीचे की तरफ लेके earth कर दिया जाता है. Again deep down into the earth, that is again the copper plate. Again the metal plate is there, that is the copper plate is there. This copper plate is there. What we will do when the clouds are having, we had discussed that these are having the negative charge. Then the charge they will attract because the opposite charge is present. They will attract the negative charge. Current यहाँ आ गया, charge यहाँ आ गया. Metal rod pass the charge from this to the this. Earthing कर देती है to save the building. So what is metal rod? One end of the lightning conductor is having the spikes on it. ठीक है, it is for the जो क्या कहते हैं सरफेस एरिया भी हो गया, बट इट विल डू attract the charge. It will attract the charge. ठीक है. Then the other end of the lightning conductor is earthing. Like it is deep down into the earth with the having the copper plate of there. Copper plate is again a metal, so that when the current will pass from this, it will enter into the copper plate and earth में चला जाएगा, and the building will be safe. Building will be safe. This is called the lightning conductor. यहाँ तक उसमें कैसे नहीं इफेक्ट होता, इट माइट बी बर्न, राइट. अच्छा, बट आर द सेफ्टी मेजर्स दैट यू विल यूज ड्यूरिंग द लाइटनिंग? कौन से सेफ्टी मेजर्स यूज करते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बाय लाइटनिंग का होने पे do not turn like that. We have to stay away from the electrical appliances or the switches. One by one, please. Stay away from windows. Do not take the shelter. Unmute karo Prabal. Do not use the umbrellas which are having the metallic tape, so that otherwise we will electrocuted. Yes, Prabal.
Ma'am, do not take bath. Stay away from water.
हाँ, तो we can say avoid the water bodies also, because water is also a good conductor. ठीक है. हाँ, तो what we have to do? वही एक questions, number of the questions we had discussed. We have to take shelter in a car or in a building like this. But when if we are on the roof or in the elevated area, then we have to rush to the main ground. ठीक है, we have to rush to the main ground. Do not lie on the ground. Do not lie flat on the ground. कभी भी जमीन पे सीधे नहीं लेटो at the time of the lightning. ठीक है, bend on your knees. अपने knees पे बैठो. ठीक है, and like this. ठीक है, take the shelter in the car. Why car? Car is a metallic body, but why we are suggesting? Because the presence of the tires. The tires are the insulator, and then it will enter into the earth. So we will not get the shock. Lightning will affect. Take a shelter if we are in a forest, or if we are in a like the trees, near to the trees, or the open area near to the trees. So what we have to do? Do not take shelter under a large tree. A big tree के नीचे shelter नहीं लेनी. Take the shelter to the shorter tree. ठीक है. और what are the other safety measures? Umbrella हो गया, switches, water.
If you are in a group, then group of people stay away from each other. If you are in a group of people, stay away from each other.
If we are in a group of people or in a crowd, then we have to stay away from one another, because human body is also a good conductor. If one person will carry, do not use the mobiles, do not use the vehicles. मतलब do not run the scooters or the cars or scooters at that time. Car is so good, but scooters do not use that one. Better, but lightning will attack to us now directly. Car body में तो we are protected with the roof of the car. When you are there, तो lightning will attract, मतलब definitely attack to you. And human body is a very good conductor. Do not use your mobiles at that time. ठीक है, these are the safety measures that we will use during the time of the lightning. वो हो गया बात. और कोई point? Any other is having any point? Then you can tell.